Hey Homespot family, but what if I told you that you could transform this dead zone into a stunning living art piece using nothing but fallen branches and a little creativity? Today, we are turning trash into treasure and maximizing our vertical space with style. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle vertical height with a rustic touch. By lashing together thick branches for rails and thinner ones for rungs, you can create a charming floating ladder. It leans perfectly against any blank wall, offering immediate structure without permanent installation. This is the ideal stage for trailing plants like pothos or ivy. Simply let them cascade down the rungs. It's an effortless way to add layers of greenery to a tiny corner. If you're short on floor space, look to the walls. Grab a gnarly piece of driftwood or a twisted fallen branch and mount it vertically as a piece of living sculpture. The deep crevices and natural knots are perfect homes for tillandsia or air plants, which require zero soil. This setup turns a dead piece of wood into a thriving, low-maintenance art installation that brings an organic, museum-quality feel to your garden nook. Let's lift your garden entirely off the ground. Find a sturdy, interesting branch and suspend it horizontally using clear fishing line or rustic twine. This floating bar becomes the anchor for a series of Kokedama, those beautiful Japanese moss balls. By hanging them at varying lengths, you create a whimsical, zero-gravity effect. It's a magical way to display plants without cluttering your surfaces, making your tiny space feel open and airy. For a blend of industrial and organic styles, combine fallen branches with copper pipe fittings. You can build a custom tiered shelving unit where the wood brings warmth and the metal adds a modern edge. This structure is sturdy enough to hold small terracotta pots filled with herbs or succulents. Over time, the copper will patina and the wood will weather, making this piece even more beautiful as it ages in your garden. Let's get geometric. You can take smaller, straighter sticks and nail them onto a fence or wall in shapes like triangles, hexagons, or diamonds. This creates a web of wooden frames. Nestling small pots inside these shapes turns a plain wall into a bohemian gallery. It's a playful, asymmetrical way to display plants, And the best part is that no two arrangements are ever the same. It is totally unique to your space. Mimic the natural habitat of a rainforest with an orchid perch. Mount a rough-barked branch vertically in a shaded corner. Instead of pots, attach epiphytic orchids directly to the wood using fishing line and a bit of sphagnum moss. This replicates how these plants grow in the wild, clinging to trees. It's a stunning, exotic display that saves shelf space and keeps your orchids happier by allowing their roots to breathe freely. Sometimes a branch is best used as hardware. Find a sturdy, forked branch and secure it so it protrudes from a wall. This natural hook is perfect for hanging a statement lantern to light up your evenings. To integrate it into the garden, plant a vine at the base and train it to wrap around the wood. The combination of soft light, rustic wood, and climbing greens creates an incredibly romantic atmosphere. Create a living picture with a broken frame. Construct a rectangular frame for branches, but leave one corner open or jagged for a deconstructed look. Attach chicken wire to the back and stuff it with moss and ferns. This vertical garden acts like a painting made of nature. The rough, imperfect wood frame highlights the lush, soft texture of the plants inside, making it a focal point that draws the eye instantly. Lighting can be a garden feature, too. Suspend a branch horizontally and wrap it with battery-operated fairy lights. Then, hang mason jars from the branch using twine. You can use these jars as vases for fresh-cut flowers or as water propagation stations for your plant cuttings. It's a functional chandelier that glows at night and grows during the day, adding a touch of farmhouse charm to any overhead space. If you have a lot of branch scraps, cut them into small, circular pucks. Glue or nail these discs onto a backing board to create a textured, wooden mosaic wall. This stacked log effect adds incredible depth and warmth to a flat wall. You can then mount pots directly onto this wooden backdrop. It's a great way to recycle smaller scraps while creating a feature wall that feels cozy and cabin-like. Combine fiber art with nature by using a rough branch as the anchor for a macrame wall hanging. The branch provides a sturdy, rustic top bar that contrasts beautifully with the soft cotton ropes. Intricate knots can cradle multiple plant pots at different heights, creating a vertical garden that is also a textile art piece. It's the ultimate boho chic addition to any home spot, adding texture and life to a bare wall. For a sculptural element, try the spiral staircase. Arrange varying lengths of branches around a central pole, fanning them out like steps. Secure them tightly, and use each step to display a small cactus or succulent. This design maximizes vertical space by spiraling upward, allowing you to fit a dozen plants in a footprint the size of a single pot. It is architectural, efficient, and visually striking from every angle. Transform a plain branch into a tropical totem. Wrap a thick branch entirely in sheet moss and secure it with fishing line. Stand it vertically in a pot or corner. You can now plant bromeliads or ferns directly into the mossy surface. This creates a lush, green column that looks like it was cut straight from a jungle floor. It adds vibrant color and texture, bringing a wild, tropical feel to your home. Finally, let's maximize those awkward 90-degree corners. Cut horizontal branches to fit snugly into a corner and mount them as floating shelves. By arranging them at random, asymmetrical intervals, you create a modern, organic display system. These sturdy little shelves are perfect for highlighting solitary specimen plants, like a prize bonsai or a unique begonia. It turns dead corner space into a curated gallery for your favorite green treasures. And there you have it, incredible ways to turn simple sticks into sophisticated garden features. Whether you chose the floating ladder, the mossy totem, or that chic copper shelf, you have proven that you don't need a big budget to have a beautiful home. If you enjoyed these ideas, please hit that like button Drop a comment with your favorite project, and don't forget to subscribe to Homespot for more creative green living tips. See you in the next one.